Learn how to read Siemens S7-300 and 400 data in Excel using Field Connection. Open Excel and select the cell where the value should be displayed. Open the Field Connection ribbon tab and select Siemens S7, S7-300 400, and S7-300 400 Read to open the S7-300 400 Read task pane. Enter the IP address of the S7 controller. Adjust the port, timeout, CPU type and rack and slot number settings if required. Select the area, data type, data block number and address you want to read, then click OK. The formula is added to the selected cell. The value is read live from the S7-300 400 controller and updates automatically when the value changes.